for another SAY toy review, and today we have fans from ours that go and give us these Fanmail packagings. So we got 1, 2, and 3. So these 2 packages, my sister will be taking them. Doing the video of these 2, and it will be part 2. So now it's part 1. So then these 2 will be my sister doing that. And stay tuned for part 2 later. So then we got this from my cousin, and then let's open and see what's inside. I see the crumplets. So there is a paper for us to cover. So we got teddy paper. Next we got a flag eraser. So it's Germany. Next we got this squishy. It's a little bit hard. Next we got this cute little spiky ball bushy monsters. Oh my god, it's so pain. My hand do have it. Oh, this is a scary one. Next we got a note. Well, later I'll open the note. And some color paper. Cool. A lot of color paper right here. I'll count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 colors. 6 colors. And I'm gonna show this note to you. Open that. Hi, SAY Toy Review. This is a fan mail for you. Sorry for the defects on the squishy. Hope you don't mind. Oh yes, I give you an extra boss leg. Hope you like it, from loversmoshimonsters. So then this is so cool. I don't mind if this is defect or what. It's so squishy. So this is all we gotta have, and this is the back. There's page for that. So then I'll end this video, and hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel, and see you next video.